Hey guys, it's Shirley. Today I'm going to solve this LeetCode hard problem, merge case sorted list. You are given an array of k linked lists. Each linked list is sorted in ascending order. Merge the linked list into one sorted linked list and return it. So what I'm thinking of doing is creating a min heap where the min heap contains all of the elements of the k linked list. And then I'm going to pop out the minimum element and create a linked list from these popped elements. So I'm going to initiate a heap array. And I'm going to set, I'm going to create a sentinel node, which is equal to, I'm going to create two sentinel nodes equals list node 0. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to loop through the linked list while for L in list while L. I'm going to push each node to the heap queue.heap push heap and the value of the node. And then I'm going to set the pointer to the next node. Now I'm going to loop through the heap. And I'm going to pop out the minimum element of the min heap. And I set the sentinel.next equal to the popped value, list node of a pop value. And then I'm going to set sentinel to the next pointer. And I'm going to return current.next. Faster than 67%. So the runtime complexity of this would be O and log n time because pushing the element to a heap is O log n time, and you want to do this n times where n is the number of nodes in a list. So it'll be O of n log n time. Thanks guys.